Hello guys, do you want to register your business on Google Map free of cost? Please watch my video and I'll tell you how to add your business on Google Map, including shop location, opening timing and different other setting. Please watch my video.
Smart Brains is here to help you achieve smart targets in your life and will lead to smart success. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, #SmartBrains, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you very much.
Please open any browser like Chrome or Safari and please go to google.com and please search for Google My Business, and this is the first option you have to select. You must have a Gmail account. Please click on a sign in option and it will ask you for your password and you will sign in into your business account. You can check if your business already exists on Google Map. Just write down your name here in search box, but we know that, so we are going to select add your business to Google option. You can write down your business name, shop name, factory name, and please read the privacy policy and click the next button. Here we will choose what is the business category. Is it a retail, manufacturing, dental surgery, whatever it is. You will write down few words and the drop down menu will give you the option. You have to select it from there like this. We will select the next, and in the next box we will select yes, because we want to add the location of the business. Now you will add the address, country name, street address, town, postcode, everything you will select from the drop down menu, and you have to write down your postcode, and then you will click on the next button. Google will show you a red pin on a map. Just adjust it according to the position of your business and select the next button. If you are providing services out of your local city or area, you can select the city names or area's name in this drop down menu and select next. Now you will select your own mobile number or your business contact number here. Please also provide your website address if you have. If you don't have, don't need to worry. There is also an option to get a free website, but that's only a one page. This is not the subject of our video today, so we won't discuss it. Just write down your phone numbers and click the next button. That's it. We are done. Click the finish button. But still we need to verify our business. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Smart Brains and please comment below. We need to verify it. In the next page we need to enter our contact name and we need to click on blue color mail button. Google will send us a postcard on our business address to verify it with a verification code, and the verification procedure I will explain at the end of this video. Now you can enter the description of your business here now, or you can skip it and enter it later on. And don't forget to save it. Next is a simple procedure to add photo of your business to appear on Google Map. You can drag and drop or just follow the path and upload a photo. Click on the continue and you will be on your Google My Business homepage. On the left side you can enter different posts, upload photos, and everything you can do from here. In the post you can select different items you are selling and their prices, and if you're giving any discount you can enter it here. Click on info button and here you can click on the pen button to edit your address, opening hours, phone number, everything. But let me show you how to add your opening hours. Click on this and you can just turn them on, and do not forget to enter the timing. If it's open 24 hours you can select it, otherwise just select from AM to PM. Please do not forget to click on the apply button. You can see now the timing is being added. Let's check how to add products. Click on products. Click on get started. To add product photo is must, and you can enter the product name, select a category, and give different description, price, and if you are giving any discount, you can write down here. Select a photo from your computer and do not forget to click on Save button. Now you can select a new product and save it, and then you can add another product. Here on the left you can select rating, and this is the rating customer usually rate your business on Google. It's not showing us the details because we need to verify it. Let's watch how to verify your business. After 4 days I got this letter from Google, and in there's a pin. Sign into your Google My Business account. It will take you to this verification page. Enter that code and click the verification button. You can see our business is now verified. On the bottom you can select Get Started. That's it. Now you can go on Google Map and search for your business, and you will see all the details over there. Thanks for watching. Hope it will help you.